I'm not excited about that. Who knows what happened? What extract can you have from a marshmallow? Prep the pot. Hey guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty box. This is for the month of February, and as we can see we have a Valentine's inspired box and it is called the Amour edition. A lot of you liked my unboxing videos of the beauty advent calendar, so I have decided to find some subscription boxes and continue my unboxing series. I'm not gonna lie, I also like unboxing videos. So Lookfantastic has 4 subscription plans: 1, 3, 6 and 12-month plans. For all the plans we have free delivery and they can ship to a lot of different countries, I think internationally. I have the 1-month subscription plan for now. I have paid 20 euros. In this one we have 6 products and they claim that the overall value of all of them is over 50 pounds. We're going to check that and see what products we have. Let me know in the comments if you like any subscription boxes. Are you subscribed to one? Do you like the Lookfantastic? I have been subscribed again, I think 3 years ago for 1 or 2 months, and after that I stopped. I don't remember why. I think I had a problem with the shipping. I don't remember. So this is how the box looks. Usually I'm keeping any boxes from subscription services and I'm using them in my drawers. I have them filled with makeup products, so I don't have any plastic dividers for my drawers. I just have boxes, and I'm also going to keep this one. Let's see what we have. As I can see, we have a little booklet here. Oh, and we have information for each product. I'm guessing also the prices. Yes, we also have the prices. This is how it looks. It's very pretty. I think Glossybox also has something very similar. I'm guessing the B is for Beauty Box. I don't know. Ooh, the first product that I see is a sponge. And this is by the brand Brushworks. I don't remember. Do I have something else from this brand? I'm not sure. So it is called the HD Wonder Complexion Sponge. It is a versatile blending sponge, 3-in-1 design, high quality, latex-free material. On the back of the box we have some information how you can clean the sponge and also how you can use it. Oh, that's nice that we have this. It is made from the highest quality hydrophilic material. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, it reminds me the Real Techniques complexion sponge. It has this cut area and it is flat here. Also we have the pointed that we can use for the under eye area. Let's see how much this one is. Where is it? Oh, okay. So this is £5.49. No, the price for this is £5.49. I'm also going to have here the prices in euros. It says that it is super soft, long lasting and specially designed to fit your facial contours. So it reminds me a lot of the material of the Essence makeup sponge that they have. It feels like a very durable material and I don't think I'm gonna have any problems when I'm washing it. And the next one is by the brand ESPA. We have this marble cap. It says Natural Beauty Inner Calm, and this is a detoxifying body oil. It is clarifying and uplifting. So let's see if it has any scent. Ooh, it has. It smells something fresh, but I don't know how to explain it and I'm not a scent expert. My specialty is in makeup. Okay, let's see if we have any information in the booklet. And this one is 15 milliliters. The price of it is £5 and it is designed to be used daily to firm skin and soothe muscles. Also, it is formulated with a blend of aromatic oils such as juniper berry and cypress to delight your senses. I have no idea what are these essential oils, and it says that it is better to use it in the morning so you can see the effects better. It can last up to 18 months and I'm very curious to see how it feels on the skin. Seriously, I don't know the sense of this juniper. It's absorbed quickly on the skin and it doesn't look oily or shiny. I don't know what I'm smelling. Okay, it doesn't smell bad. The rest of the bottle is glass. It's very pretty, a little bit heavy. What is this? It says Project Lip Mask. Prep the pout. Hydrating, smoothing and collagen infused mask. We have 2 grams and it says in need of a moisture hit, this hydrogel lip mask will leave you with a smooth, plump and kissable pout. So this one is £3.95. This is going to work for dry and chapped lips and you can leave it on your lips for 15 to 20 minutes. And the brand is Project. Let me know if you have ever tried anything by this brand. Moving on to this product by the brand Philoca. This is the Meso Mask. It contains 15 milliliters and it can last 12 months. I think I got this one again in some advent calendars. I'm going to check it after I give you some information about it. The price of it is £12.60. It is an anti-wrinkle brightening face mask. It is infused with NCTF. I don't know what it is. The delicate cream will leave skin plumper, brighter and more even in tone. It says that you can apply a generous amount of product over the face, neck and décolletage. You can leave it for 15 to 30 minutes and remove using a damp cloth. My skin needs any hydrating product that I have now. I want to see if I have it again. Found it! I have one more. I don't remember where I found it. I think from the Lookfantastic advent calendar. I haven't tried this yet, so I want to use it once or twice to see if I'm gonna keep the second one. Also 15 milliliters is not a very big amount of product. I'm guessing I'm gonna use this 3 or 4 times. Following that, we have a product by the brand Now Bay, Natural and Organic Origin. This is a gentle facial toner. Oh, that's nice. It has raspberry, marshmallow and marigold extracts. Marshmallow? What extract can you have from a marshmallow? It looks like a full-size product. We have 125 milliliters and it can last up to 12 months. Let's see what we have for this product. It is worth £12.50. So this one can remove leftover traces of makeup and you can use this daily with a cotton pad. I don't think I'm gonna use it twice a day because I have very dry and sensitive skin. I don't usually use toners for every day. I'm using them only to deep cleanse my skin after I have removed any makeup. The packaging is super pretty. We have this plastic bottle and the cap looks wooden. Oh, it is just the exterior. It smells so nice. I think I can smell the raspberry, and of course I have never heard of this brand before. Where is my next product? Okay, here it is. Oh, it is super small. This one is a mini lipstick, but oh, it is by the brand Illamasqua. Just a second to find it in my booklet. It is called the Mini Antimatter Lipstick. This is in the color Bang, and we have 2 grams of product. Okay, it is made in the UK and let's see what it says here. This lipstick can give a semi-matte finish. Okay, so we have a little sticker here. You need to remove it. It has a lot of marks. I think they are factory made. They look like scratches. I'm not excited about that. Who knows what happened? However, it had the sticker, so it wasn't used. It doesn't have a scent, and let's see the color. Oh, it's very soft. I'm afraid that I'm going to ruin it. And we have this light peachy brown matte shade. It has like a semi-matte finish. It's not completely matte. It is very creamy and I really like the color. I think it reminds me the color that I have now. The price for this one here is £10, and let's find out what is the overall value now. According to my calculations, all the products are worth £49.54. They said £50. What happened? In the booklet we have some interviews and also how you can use the sponge, some other products as well. And I thought that we would get also the magazine by Elle, but we don't have it. Why is it cancelled? About the products, I'm not disappointed. I think this is a nice beauty box. However, I would like to get more product for this mask. I think 15 milliliters is not enough. Also about the lipstick, I would prefer a different color because this is inspired by Valentine's. I was expecting a red lipstick or maybe a pink one, and we got something very neutral. However, I like the shade. It's not that bad. You can use it with any eye look basically. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these products and if you like them. Also, you can find here some palettes by Essence. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!